Hi, I'm Lee Stevens with HD Supply. This video is going to cover the location and the testing of the defrost heater. When working with electrical, if you are uncomfortable, please consult a professional. Follow OSHA's lockout tagout procedures as it is a requirement. Follow all of your company's policies and procedures when working with electrical. And always remember your personal protective equipment, your safety glasses, and your gloves. For the removal of the defrost heater, on this model, the first thing you need to do is disconnect the wiring harness, then remove it from the 3 clips at the bottom. If you choose to leave it in for testing, simply set your meter to ohms, test between the 2 points. You have continuity, so this element is good. There is no need for removal. We just tested the defrost heater in the freezer. We tested the 2 contact points and we had continuity, so that style of defrost heater was good. This is another style of defrost heater. Notice this one has 2 elements in it. To test this style, set your meter to ohms, check between your 2 terminals. We have continuity, so this style of defrost heater is also good. Defrost heaters vary depending on make and model.